A conservationist named Dean Schneider claims to be a member of a lion pride, and this is how his lion pride welcomed him home after being away for 2 weeks. A herd of elephants eagerly run towards their favorite human after being apart for over a year. This couple saved this baby chimp when his mother abandoned him when he was just a few days old. His name is Limbani, and he had 7 broken ribs and pneumonia at the time the family took him in. This is his reaction every time the couple goes to see him.
Hey, buddy!